This is down flush mouth door handles. So this is where we're headed. Right there, turn 1. Stools on second, Chester first stool. That's final call. Yeah, that's all. Died? All right. Yeah, you good. Where's my ride? Manny Fue. All right, goes my ride. Can I take a ride to turn 1 in style? Look at this guy. Uber? This is Uber. What is it called? I don't even look at this shit. How do you open that? Oh, okay, there you go. You gotta pop it open. That's when you never had anything nice. You know how nice stuff works. Down flush mouth door handles.
This is all fake.
The fake one? Okay. I wish I had a fake one. We're working with it here. Let me see. That's pretty tricks. There we go.
Anybody wants to help me correct that name? Looks like they might just
Make sure you wash your hands. So this is where we're headed. Right there, turn 1. But we're not there yet because this guy's in the restroom. There he is. Fill out in the gravel.
On all four wheels?
The guys are lined up. And they're gonna call Stu to overheat.
No, he turned the mic off.
Oh, he did? Okay.
And one straggler comes into
While they're waiting on one last rider.
position, and we will be
Let's go to the
underway
end.
in just a moment.
Oh, somebody's over there.
All right, one board is up, and green flag drops. That was quick, and let's see who takes advantage of it. The 600 is absolutely lighter colors, the white letters up front, the white blue light, and the darker colors behind it is probably number 153 Terry Hearn. But let's see how much further the middleweight class can charge into that. Because it looks like it's already a little breakaway of 5 bikes coming down the Omega. Well, Ed Sorbo just gave me a cheery wave from his pit light, so that is not Ed Sorbo number 15.
Shit.
Andy Edwards is in the race at number 964. He is third in the heavyweight class.
Who?
So that's the
Waiting's through.
all the heavyweight bikes.
You don't see who?
Turn a 133 on the first time lap, which should normally see some 29 turns and 28 into this. So you can see how much pressure Terry Hearn is going to be on.
I don't know. I'm focused on Ed right now, trying to get a full lap of him.
Starting to really pull it in here. And it looks like he makes the pass just 129 in the race.
Only got by 0.6 seconds. 134.6, Stu did 134.90. So here's the gap. Last one.
Stu's in second. Chester's first. Stu. So Ed's in fourth. Ed's gonna have to see if Ed can get up there with Wayne. That's Stu right there of the three and the third one? Okay. Stu.
It's like 774. Paul Cooley is pulling off the track. So that was our second place. That should be enough.
Didn't even hit record. Didn't hit record. Let's see if Stu can get him. Last lap. That's a pretty big gap.
Second place.
Fuck.
964. That is not 964. That was a lap winner.
See if Stu can get him. Nope. Too big of a gap. Damn.
And there we go.
And they really did a lot of paperwork.
Yeah. A lot of surface work, paint, surface and paint work. Still gonna have a lot of cars here.
Probably looking for it. I don't want to be driving my car.
All the way free.
Is that my seatbelt?
Oh, he was out there racing. I didn't even notice that guy.
Oh, that guy Robert?
Yeah.
I didn't even know.
Where did I
This
get
is-
that Ennis too?
This is first race weekend. He was probably the guy behind Ed. Or was he in first? Did he come off early? What? Oh shit. That was an RSV4. Oh shit.
Oh no, don't worry about it.
Okay. That's what this is, the twins? Twins race? Okay. These guys will be going right back out for the Ironman race. Scheduled to be a 20-lap race, but I think they might knock off a lap or two. But these guys only have one race to rest.
That guy had
It was an RSV4? Oh, we thought it was a 660. Oh, so you could, yeah, you definitely wanted to catch him.
keep pulling away from Somebody can run the hang It was like ready to hit the bat. Yeah, you got first. I told you got first. You know, I was fucking with your record. Well, take me serious, bro. I understand why it looks like we are out ready to get underway. The number one is down. And the elephants are out of the way. Start on a middleweight fight. Takes the overall lead from the second row. And it's a turn one. You want to get me running block for all the guys chasing you, because you know it's when they are getting around me. I cheat. I go like this when they get in tight. Is that what you want? So this real guy is sitting wild free. That's a good race. Wow. Going passing, Bill dive on you in the next corner. I ran into practice this morning, and that was my mark today. Rocky Beaver, the line is so on. When you pass me, you didn't pass me. That's it. So I was behind you when you passed me. I think the other guy was on the That's my second gear turn, you know. I thought I was in fourth and going down step. But hell, I went that was all it took. That was all it took. I mean, I have no power in this air. I surprised myself with the start. You got a good start. I was like, focus on together.
So like last second I saw him, and then I had to go. I had a basic guy. $5,000.
First, second, first again.
What you got? What you got? What you got for me? What you got for me? That last lap. Sum up the last race. Having the last race.
Oh man, it's pretty good. You know, I'm running a 660 twin with 600, so I gotta start strong, finish stronger. You know what I'm saying?
So what we saw was at the top of the Omega, you would catch that guy because he lost a lot of drive at the top of the Omega.
He did.
Notice that?
Yeah, he did. He was on the RSV4, so he got yeah. So he got like what 300 some more CCs than me. So I would catch him in a tight part of the track, but on the straightaway he just walked away. He did it every lap. I had none for him. You know what I'm saying?
We thought he was on the 660. You had your own though. You kept that. You didn't let him get too far ahead of you.
Yeah, appreciate it.
It seemed like he was on a 660. But now we know why he was.
Until he got on the throttle, yeah. I thought he was too, but then he started walking with us. Now he on a B4. I can't catch him.
I thought you had him 2 different times up at the top of your Omega. That's where you had.
Yeah.
Better than him.
Yeah. Oh well, next time.
I'll let you get ready for your
Appreciate
that
it.
race.
Appreciate it.
All right. That was Big Stu. I'm over here with Ed. What is it?